Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious, easy and quick dinner recipe. It is so juicy and tender, so let's get started. So first we are going to be taking the boneless chicken. I have taken the chicken breast, but you can also take chicken thighs. Then you have to cut it in big square cube pieces. Now we have to marinate the chicken with a lot of spices. Add paprika or red chili powder, ginger powder, garam masala, salt, pepper and onion garlic powder. Then add some oil and vinegar. Then mix it well with your hands and leave it for 5 to 6 hours for more flavor. You can keep it overnight too and make the next day. When the chicken is marinated, I am going to be cutting the vegetables like the bell peppers. You can cut other vegetables too like onions. I am cutting cheese too. Now after 5 to 6 hours, put your chicken into a skewer and first put the chicken, then cheese, then your vegetable. You can put all your chicken into skewers, but as I have only 2, so I will put into 2 and the rest of the chicken I will put in a pan. So now I'm putting all of the remaining chicken into a pan and then all the remaining masala onto the chicken, and then I will put the cheese on top, and then I will bake it at 325°F for 40 minutes. This recipe is so easy and quick. You can make it in lunch, dinner or even snack for your kids. My kids loved this cheesy chicken and it's so juicy and tender and soft. My kids absolutely loved it, so I highly recommend to try this recipe, and do tell me in the comments how you like this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back in my next video with a new delicious recipe.